हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू रंजीत द पामिस्ट। दोस्तों, आज फिर से एक नया पाम आया है एनालिसिस करने के लिए। इस पाम की हम एनालिसिस करेंगे और इसमें हम जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि इस पाम में क्या क्या प्रॉमिस है और उसको फुलफ़िल करने के लिए लाइन सपोर्ट कर रही हैं और इनके लाइफ में जो विशेज हैं वो इनका मेन इशू कैरियर से है, मेन क्वेश्चन कैरियर से है, फॉरेन सेटलमेंट से है, बिजनेस से है। तो इन तीन चीज़ों पे हम इनके पाम में कैरियर के प्रोस्पेक्ट से, फॉरेन सेटलमेंट के प्रोस्पेक्ट से और बिजनेस के प्रोस्पेक्ट से हम प्रॉमिस देखेंगे। उसके बाद प्रॉमिस का फुलफिलमेंट देखेंगे, मीन्स डिजायर देन फुलफिलमेंट ऑफ डिजायर, और हाउ सपोर्टिंग दिस लाइन्स एंड फिंगर्स टू द नेटिव आई विल शो यू इन दिस वीडियो। एंड दोस्तों, जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि रंजीत द पामिस्ट यूट्यूब चैनल भी है और रंजीत द पामिस्ट फेसबुक पेज पे भी है। यदि आप फेसबुक पेज पे आप देख रहे हैं इस वीडियो को तो रंजीत द पामिस्ट यूट्यूब चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक मैंने रंजीत द पामिस्ट फेसबुक पेज के होम पेज पे दिया हुआ है। और यदि दोस्तों आप मुझसे कंसल्ट करना चाहते हैं, आप मुझसे बातें करना चाहते हैं, प्रश्न पूछना चाहते हैं, तो आप यूट्यूब चैनल के अबाउट सेक्शन में जाएं और उस अबाउट सेक्शन में जाने के बाद फेसबुक पेज का लिंक वहाँ पे दिया हुआ, वहाँ पर जा कर के आप फेसबुक पेज पे आप मुझसे बात कर सकते हैं। तो दोस्तों, हम शुरू करेंगे इस हाथ की एनालिसिस। और इनकी कुंडली ही भी है मेरे पास, तो कुंडली को भी हम स्नैपशॉट प्रेडिक्शंस में यूज़ करेंगे और हम इन कन्फर्मेशन लेंगे जो भी इनसे बातचीत हुई है कि कैसे मैं एनालिसिस करता हूँ। बिकॉज ही इज़ जस्ट 25 years old youth, but that means he doesn't have so much past experiences. That is why this, and he is involved in a study right now, but he is doing job at also. But major portion of life is that means he has not experienced so much things in the life. So just I tried to take some snapshot predictions for past from his past. So I will show you here on WhatsApp how we completed our conversation, how we completed our analysis. So firstly I will show you how our conversation was going on. Let us see. Firstly we have started from here. फ्रेंड्स, डिड यू गेट इनकम सोर्स टिल नाउ और स्टार्टेड, ये मैंने इनसे पूछा था। ये इसके बाद इन्होंने कहा या आई करेंटली वर्किंग इन आईटी सेक्टर, रिसेंटली यू वुड हैव ज्वाइंड, मैंने पूछा था इनसे, तो उन्होंने कहा था कि नो इट्स नॉट बिन, इट्स बिन पास्ट 2 years now. That means at the age of 23 years approximately he has joined. But I was confusion whether this line was connecting or not. I will show you here in the picture when I will come to the analysis that these two lines are getting connected or not, but lightly were connected. That is why I told him that however you have joined at the age of 23 years only, but you may not be satisfied at all with this job. That is why he is planning to skip his job and planning to start a business for him. And तो इसके बाद क्या हुई बात, इसके बाद हम देख करके चलते हैं। उसके बाद इनके पाम को देख करके मैंने बताया यू हैव एनी हॉस्पिटल्स, और सॉरी ये पाम से नहीं एनालिसिस था, ये इनके चार्ट से एनालिसिस था। क्योंकि मैं आपको दोस्तों, मैं बार बार कह रहा हूँ कि मैं धीरे धीरे एस्ट्रोलॉजी की ओर भी ला रहा हूँ, और एस्ट्रोलॉजी एक बहुत ही मीन्स माइन्यूटली बात करता है आपके वास्तु को लेकर के। आप जहाँ पर रह रहे हैं उसका वास्तु क्या है, और उसका सराउंडिंग्स कैसा है, वो आपके लिए कंफर्टेबल है कि नहीं है, वो सारी चीज़ों को बताता है, और कैसे आप उसको कंफर्टेबल बना सकते हैं वो सारी चीज़ों को बताता है। ठीक है ना। तो धीरे धीरे हम एस्ट्रोलॉजी और पामिस्ट्री दोनों को मिक्स करना चाह रहे हैं, और ये रिसर्च वर्क मेरा है, तो इसलिए मैं धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ रहा हूँ। तो कन्फर्मेशन मैं बीच बीच में लेता रहता हूँ, इसलिए रिसर्च पर्पसेस के लिए मैं लोगों का बर्थ डिटेल्स लेता हूँ। और दोस्तों, जब भी मैं आपको वीडियो देता हूं कि हाउ टू सेंड योर क्लियर पाम पिक विदाउट लूजिंग द इमेज क्वालिटी, देन प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड माई प्रॉब्लम दैट व्हेन सो एवर यू विल सेंड इन दैट फॉर्मेट, दैट मीन्स JPEG फॉर्मेट, then I will be able to deliver my service very smoothly to you. Otherwise it may create problem because of the losing of the image quality. So please recheck before sending the palm pics to me. And you need not to send so many pics of yours. Okay, just you need to send 4 pics of left hand palm and 4 pics of right hand palm. Okay, palm pics only, that I have described in the video how to send the palm pics without losing the image quality. You can recheck and you can watch the videos there. So I will come to here. Yeah, there is a couple of hospital within 2 to 3 kilometers from my residence, and you may also have some knowledge about medicines. Yes, a bit, since he is just 25 years old. No, then he may not be having so much experience of medicines. But as the time will pass, he is getting, he will be getting older, he will try to understand about the medicines, and his interest will be inclined to know the medicines slowly. Okay, your satisfiable career will start far from your native place. I will clear this in the palm pic. Okay, at present traveling may be the part of your life. I do like a lot. Is there any foreign opportunities? मैं ये चीज़ इनके पाम में भी मैं देखने की कोशिश करूँगा और मैं आपको बताऊँगा. Yes, he has that foreign opportunities, and he may get the opportunity to settle there also if he wishes to do so. I will show it on the palm and as well as on the kundli. Next, again I have taken the snapshot predictions from his kundli. Majority of the time you study while lying on the bed. I do it always. What else do you see regarding career? Again he asked for the career. I will come to the questions. Will come to your questions. Firstly, I want to my major concern is that whensoever a palmist or an astrologer is not confirming your past or present predictions, or whatsoever are surroundings around you, he is not able to predict, how can you rely on his future predictions? That is why I always try to pick up some snapshot predictions of his past life experiences. But he is just 25 years old. He may not be having so much time, life experience. That is why there are very less chances of past predictions. But I have tried some stunning predictions. That is, this is the part of stunning predictions. Majority of the time you study while lying on the bed, and it is his habit, and he should improve his habit. This is the gray area for him, I think, and he needs to improve this. And whensoever you want to get relieved, you start studying or anxiety or from a stress. He told, okay, your palm shows that you have regular emotional turbulences. At the same time you are very ambitious as well. Yes, that's totally true. You also have mood swing. Yes, I do. Yes, he has the mood swings, and I will show these things on his palm as well as on his kundli, both, because kundli and the palm, kundli means birth chart, and the palm both has the symmetry. Okay, and again I am going to confirm you all these predictions on his palm and on his birth chart as well. Okay friends, let us move on another side. Firstly, let us go on his chart. His chart, Lagna chart. See, his Lagna chart is rising from 9th sign. Okay, 9th sign, and he is Taurus Rasi, Taurus zodiac. Wheresoever moon sits, that is called Taurus zodiac. And see, Mars in 12th house shows that he may have hospitals in his proximity of his residence, and he confirmed it. Okay, and his habit of studying is by lying on the bed. Okay, and Rahu and Venus shows that he has more than average sexual desire, and moon in sixth places shows that he will go regular emotional turbulences. He has to pass off always. He has to bear with his emotional turbulences always, and at a point of at any point of time whatsoever he was aiming, but at a point of time he will forget all these things, and suddenly he will be deviated. These things also show, that is what I wanted to convey you, that moon gives the mood swing. If he wants to study, he will study more than 5-6 hours by sitting, by lying on the bed, in whatsoever manner he wants to study, he will study. But whensoever he does not want to study, he will not study at all 2 to 3 days. That means the totally depends upon his mood. Whensoever his mood will allow, thensoever he will do the work, and whensoever his mood will not allow, thensoever he will not do the work. That is why moon is in the sixth house, it shows, and moon is alone here. Okay, that is why his mind always keeps changing, his mind always gets deviated, his mind do not get concentrated over one things. It shows this type of thing shows that he needs to improve these these gray areas. And one more thing I would like to confirm here about his study and love matters. These things will happen to him suddenly. He may not be having the chance to rethink over that. That means wheresoever he needs to move for a study, even that means 1 or 2 days before, he may not be knowing that I will move for a study next day from here to there, but suddenly he has to move. That means I am giving you an example that for his study he needs to, and that means everything will happen suddenly. He will not be having the chance to rethink over that issue. And I am not talking about here kids, because he is not married and main concern is about his career. Okay, and Mars in 12th house shows that the person is more likely inclined to the traveling, and he will loves to travel, and even he will visit temples also. While traveling, he wants to visit the temples, and maybe far places temple, foreign places temple. And I will show you that his palm is also showing. And one more thing, 9th Lord Jupiter is sitting in 12th house. Sorry, 9th Lord now. Ascendant Lord Jupiter is sitting in the 12th house. It shows that his settlement may be in the foreign places, if he wishes to do so, or at very distant places from his birthplace or native place. Even in Chalit, I can see here, even in Chalit, his ascendant Lord Jupiter is going to the 12th Lord again. That means it is definitely confirmed that his career will start far from his birthplace. If he wants to start his business, then I would suggest to him that whensoever traveling is involved in your business, then it goes so good. And if it's not involved traveling there, then you should start a business either very far from home, or traveling should be involved there, or at foreign places if possible. If you have any consult to the foreign places, then you can go there also. You will prosper more there. And now let us move to his palm picks. दोस्तों, here you can see also, here palm picks is not taken properly because it is tilting in mode. Some angles is formed, but just opposite you keep palm and just opposite to the lens, or just opposite to the camera, and then you can click the right picks. Because here I am not able to understand which finger is more longer, but it's showing it is more longer. That means I will analyze on that basis only, because it is supposed to be longer, I will say like that. But for the people who are sending to who will send the pics in near future, please be careful in this regard, so that you send whatsoever pics you send me should be very clear and should be very visible and reality too, and should be near to the reality. That means real image. So firstly I will go on his fingers, then I will come to his mons, and then I will start his analyzing his palm lines. Then friends, please, firstly I will start from here, because this finger is has more length with respect to this finger. That means this shows that this person has enjoys taking in risks, and this middle finger is, I think this middle finger is slightly tilted towards the Apollo finger, this finger. That means whatsoever he may be doing, he may not be getting credits of whatsoever he was doing. And next you can see here also that this little finger is also going to the second flange of the Apollo finger, and it